In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Base to MetaMask. First, let's open MetaMask and unlock your wallet. When you launch the app, you'll see the familiar interface. This is where you manage your cryptocurrencies and tokens. If you have a password, enter it to unlock your wallet. This action is crucial because it secures your digital assets, ensuring that only you can access your funds. Once you are inside, you will have full access to your wallet and its features. Next, tap or click on the network selector at the top of the screen. This is typically labeled with your current network, such as Ethereum Mainnet. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears, showcasing the networks currently available to you. Selecting the right network is vital, as it determines where your transactions will occur. It is essential to switch networks for specific transactions, especially when working with new blockchains like Base. Now, select the option to Add Network. This brings you to a screen where you can add a new blockchain to your MetaMask wallet. You will want to take this step to ensure you can interact with the Base network seamlessly. Having the correct network allows you to access different dApps and services that may not be available on your current network. After that, search for Base in the search bar provided. As you type, the application will begin to filter results. This is where the process gets exciting, as finding Base will allow you to integrate it directly into your wallet. Confirming this network is essential to keep your MetaMask wallet versatile and capable of handling various transactions. Once you find Base, select it and tap or click Add. This action adds Base to your list of available networks. It may feel like a small step, but it is significant because it opens up new opportunities for your wallet, enabling you to engage with the Base ecosystem. You'll see a confirmation screen, reassuring you that Base has been successfully added. Now you will need to review the details and select Approve. This is your chance to double-check the information about the Base network. Ensuring all details are correct is critical to prevent errors in future transactions. Once you approve, you can proceed with confidence, knowing that your wallet is set up correctly. At this point, you will want to switch to the Base network. This is done by tapping or clicking on the network selector again and choosing Base from the list. Switching networks ensures that any transactions you perform will be on the correct blockchain. It is a simple but essential step to avoid costly mistakes. For those who prefer a more manual approach, let's explore the second option. Open MetaMask as before. This time, go to Networks and select Add Network, then opt for Add a Network manually. This method allows for greater control over the details you enter. Next, enter the following details. For network name, type Base Mainnet. This name helps to identify the network within your wallet, making it easier to switch later. For the RPC URL, input https://mainnet.base.org. This URL connects your wallet to the Base network, enabling transactions and interactions. Then for chain ID, enter 8453. This number is essential as it uniquely identifies the Base network within the blockchain ecosystem. For currency symbol, type ETH. This is important for clarity in your wallet, indicating what currency you will be using on this network. Finally, for Block Explorer URL, enter https://base.blockscout.com. This URL allows you to view transactions and blocks on the Base network. After filling in these details, select Save. This final action confirms that you want to add the network, completing the manual setup process. Now switch to the Base Mainnet network. This ensures all your future transactions will be processed on Base, allowing you to explore its features fully. As a quick tip, newer versions of MetaMask often include Base as a supported network. This means you can usually add it directly from the built-in network list without having to enter all the details manually. This little step saves you a lot of time later. Your wallet is now ready to use with the Base network, giving you access to new opportunities in the crypto space.